Alabama skip shooter, what does Trash Man sound like when a king in California keys down and cuts his radio off? Hey, Alabama skip shooter, what Trash Man sound like when the king of California keys down and cuts his radio off? There, break.
Sound like the king took the trash out. Sound like the king took the trash out, put the lid on it. Skip shooter sounds right now. Yeah. Oh! Hear me? Do you hear what I said? Sound like the king has took the trash out for the night. Alabama skip shooter.
10 Roger on that. Yeah, I just took the trash out, man. But I think I'm gonna recycle it. Hey, now you see, I'm a green type of guy, man. I believe in recycling. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take trash, man, and I'm gonna recycle him, and I'm gonna use it for fuel in my generator. Hey, Alabama skip shooter. Old John Denver said I'm gonna take trash, man, and recycle him, and use the fuel and put it in my generator so I can drop this King California Mall again. Alabama skip shooter John Denver, the king of California, is gone.
John Denver, 3-gun, mate.
Yeah, hello to you, 3-gun. I'm going to wave a hand to you, man. Hello to you, 3-gun. I'm going to wave a hand, man. But old Alabama skip shooter got my radio, but I am waving a hand. Hello, 3-gun. John Denver, right back. I got a hammer in the morning, I got a hammer in the evening, I got a hammer at lunchtime, I got a hammer anytime I key this mall down. Oh, Alabama skip shooter John Denver, the king of California, said they could have their radios back now. Look at your radio. Hey, Alabama skip shooter. Look at your cotton-picking Cobra 1000. Tell me how many dB I got up in that Cobra 1000 there, break.
About 30 dB, about 30 dB. Oh, John Denver with a banjo on his knee. I'll be the Alabama skip shooter lip cutter. 404 Birmingham, Alabama, just got down.
Hey, Alabama skip shooter, I got some good news and some bad news. The good news is I'm hitting you at 30 dB. The good news is I'm hitting you at 30 dB. The bad news is there's an Alabama skip shooter lip cutter out there. Hey, Alabama skip shooter, there's an Alabama skip shooter lip cutter out there, man. He's got his scissors out, man. Watch out, Alabama skip shooter. Watch out for old Alabama skip shooter lip cutter.
He's doing it all up here in Birmingham. Got me 30, 35 dBs over. John Denver, the bad man. Joe the Grinder, 404 Birmingham. We'll see you. Bye.
Hey, Joe the Grinder, I'm running a video gate right now, man, so you can hear what your audio sounds like, man. Hey, Joe the Grinder, I am running a video gate right now so you know what your audio sounds like on that cat bigot end, man. It's beautiful sounding. Mr. Joe the Grinder. John Denver, the king of California. You know, I was out here in the arena there, Joe the Grinder, and nobody showed up. Hey, Joe the Grinder, none of them mud ducks out here in California showed up other than Trash Man, man. He's the only one that stepped up to the plate. The rest ran under the bed.
Hey, that's the way it goes. That's the way it goes when the big boy comes out to play. The king of California, no doubt. Good afternoon to you. Joe the Grinder here. Said he'll see you bye. I won't be back no more for another day. Toodly-noo now. Click, click.
Hey, Roger on that there, Joe the Grinder. No pain, no strain. Alabama skip shooter, you scratching, man, but you ain't getting that kind bigger. He could stay out there for the rest of the night and kick your ass. Hey, Alabama skip shooter, you should have just left that con picker alone, man. You should have just let Joe the Grinder drop that maul and go, man. Shouldn't try and say all those things behind him. As you scratching, but you ain't nothing when he's in my radio right now. He buries it. Watch out, Alabama skip shooter. The Alabama skip shooter lit cutters out there. John Denver gone.
Don't get him nowhere, John Denver, Alabama skip shooter walking on the...
Well, he hadn't keyed back yet. You want me to call him out there?
I guarantee you. 357, I ain't scared of none of them duck pluggers, man. I keep with anybody. Alabama skip shooter rocking on. This evening, OIP rainwater in the band.
Hey, Alabama skip shooter, tell Al-3-29-11 he must bow to John Denver. Alabama skip shooter, tell that cotton-picking mud duck he must bow to John Denver before he keys that microphone. Now, I haven't seen him bow, so he can talk. Tell that cotton-picking 357 he must bow down and kneel to John Denver, the king of California. Alabama skip shooter, roll the nickel. John's gone.
You said tell 357 he got to bow down before you can talk down here. Over directly. OIP rainwater in the BAM reading this mail. John Denver taking over my receipt over here. 303. Oh, hello out there around the west side. 302 around a big band looking base.
I haven't even hooked up my Cobra 1000 yet. It's still sitting in the box. I haven't even hooked up my 1000 yet. It's still sitting in the box.
Hello out there, Trash. Hey, John Denver, 302 in Alabama trying to get your radio breaker.
Hey, that's what I was thinking, man. When you said that, man, when I heard the 302 out there, man, I thought of a Cobra 1000 there, 410.
143 in the home of 65. 65 small radio station, coast of Alabama, looking out the west side of the big harbor. You read my little radio out of Dixon. You been still here? If John Denver keys up, he's got the East Coast over here completely locked down. The king of California, self-described, he's got the East Coast completely shut down, my friend. John Denver, he said he's the king of California.
Well, I ain't WWPDX anymore because they threw me off the forum. Hey, Alabama skip shooter, they threw me off the forum. They said I was bragging and boasting too much. Maybe all them WWPDX members were pissed off that they couldn't talk out here on the west side. Maybe that was it. They didn't really know what radio entertainment was all about, Alabama skip shooter. They threw me off the cotton-picking WWPDX there, 410.
I heard all that. I ain't heard not about all that right there, John. Hey, John, I just need it.
gotta excuse me for being so rude, but at this present time, all the lines out of the 13 southern states are closed. So I'm gonna talk to you over the phone, Mr. 143. I done turn all the stuff off over in Georgia and Louisiana and places. So at this present time, all those lines are closed. Mr. Denver, excuse me for being so rude. Mr. 143, good evening, sir.
He must kneel. He hasn't kneeled. Alabama skip shooter 357 has not kneeled to the king. 357 must kneel down to the king of California before he gets his damn name called. John Denver, the king of California, is gone.
Didn't look well for heck, but it sure was September. Mr. 143 in the harbor. Take a look at me now.
He said you gotta kneel down out there. I'm just telling what the man said, but I heard you out there. You have a good day, 357. Alabama skip shooter, easing on back out here. The big thing I'm looking at base. Hello 357, Cali 302 in a band looking bait. I heard that. You still in my radio, 357. You still in my radio.
My time is out and I've got to go. There's some other 10-8 citizen band operators in Dixieland. I know they want to use their communicator. Cause at this present time, I got all the lines out of the left side of the 6-5, ladies and gentlemen.
And 6-5, tell 143 I said hello. Hey, 6-5 around the band, tell that 143 John Denver said hello.
I've got to go out and toll a 97 and a 98. If I key this thing up again, that means I told a 99. Good evening, everybody. 6-5 in the heart of Dixon. Mr. Denver, Mr. 143, rest of the good time game. Gentlemen, I'm officially 10-7.
10 Roger on that, 6-5. All right, man. Well, I'm going to get out the middle of the road, man. I'm going to get out the middle of the road, let old 357 and all the good time gang have their radios back. Take care, my friend, 6-5. Boy, you've had that mauled down for the last 40 minutes, man. That's why you my new knight. But them other mud ducks out here in California, Arizona, Nevada, and Washington, Idaho, all those, they got to kneel. They have to kneel down to the king of California before they can key down on channel 28. Take care, 6-5. John Denver is gone.
Talk to somebody, John Denver. A 98 and a half, Mr. Denver. I'm 10-7.